Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my wine and dog subscription box unboxing. This is seriously a box that's made for me. Seriously, I love wine and I am obsessed with my dog Dexter, who is an 8-month-old Chihuahua. He's right over there. You'll probably hear him causing some ruckus. He has a bone right now and he's trying to bury it in the bed. But so this is a seasonal subscription box. I have the winter box here. It cost $59.99 and that includes shipping, and you get over $100 worth of value. And I'm just so excited because the company wineanddogs.net has the cutest products. You can just go on their website and shop for adorable, basically dog mom, dog lover merchandise. And I seriously want to get everything on that site, but I figured I would start with their subscription box because I'm obsessed with subscription boxes. So when you put all these things that I'm obsessed with, I just can't even contain my excitement. I can't even wait any longer to see what's in this box. Also, look at how cute this box is. Oh, so adorable. Dexter loves subscription boxes too. He gets the Bark box and the Kong box and he loves them. I feel like when I do these unboxings, he is starting to think that it's for him, and maybe there will be something for him in here. Oh, yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, your winter box is here. I love that there is product information. Oh, and you do give your size because there are some clothing items in the box, so that's great. You know, you'll get your correct size. And this just came so beautifully packaged. Oh my gosh. This box seriously has everything I love. It has coffee here right on top from Caribou Coffee. Life is short, stay awake for it. French roast. I am so excited about this. I always get so excited about coffee in general, but to try out different types of coffee, and this is perfect. It's the ground coffee, which is the type of coffee that I use in my coffee maker because I have the potted type of coffee maker. Oh my gosh. And to stick with the coffee theme, here is a beautiful big mug. I love this. So cute, and I love the size of it. Like, I love a big mug. So this is so perfect. This is just already off to an amazing start, and it seems like such an awesome gift box. So for someone in your life that loves wine and loves dogs, this is such a perfect gift for them. And I can't wait to use my new mug with some new coffee. And then also in that mug was organic snout soother from Natural Dog Company for dry skin. Soothe, heal, wag. Apply frequently and try to distract your dog while the balm soaks in. Great for humans too. Oh my gosh, a little balm that I can use on myself and Dexter. This is awesome. And I love that it's all organic. So cool. I have never even heard of a product like this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It's a scarf with a paw print, and I love scarves. I'm seriously, like, I'm wearing a scarf right now. I'll put this on instead. Okay, I love this. And scarves are so essential when I take Dex out on his walks. Hey, honey. Speaking of, here's Dexter. Hi, honey. What do you think of my scarf? He's like sniffing my scarf. Do you smell something for you? He's sniffing at something. I think he can smell this. Let's see, honey. What is it? Is this for you? Oh, yes. And this is a little bully stick for him. That's literally what he was trying to bury in the bed. He loves these. Here, honey. That is so perfect. Oh, And my black and gray scarf matches Dexter, my black dog. Also, look at this adorable hat. Oh my gosh, it just says, and it has the little wine and dog logo. And once again, it's black, it matches Dexter. And this is so nice. I wear a hat every time I take Dex out now, and I actually have been needing a new hat because the hat that I wear every single day, 4 times a day at least, is white, and I've stained it with my makeup, so having a new black hat is perfect. How does it look? Actually, love it. It's so comfortable and it's already so warm. I feel like it's kind of stylish. Maybe I pulled it down too far, but I love this. This is literally the hat that I'm going to switch to right now. I love these like high value, stylish products that I'm definitely going to use. Like everything in this box is so perfect. And then for the wine lover, there's a discount code for wine in a can from Graham and Fisk's. 30% off. Oh, that looks so good. And then there's also a mystery gift that comes in every box. This here, which is really beautifully packaged. What's this? Lavender Essential Oil. Lavender is calming, must dilute when using with pets. This is awesome. I love lavender. This is from doTERRA, and I actually don't have an essential oil right now. Oh, and I'm really excited about this. I need to get an oil diffuser, but that is so nice. So wow, I feel like there is so much value in this box. It says it's over $100, but I definitely see that. It's seriously like the best gift, like the best gift for me to get myself, the best gift for me to get dog and wine lovers in my life. So I'll do a quick recap of everything I got. I got this adorable scarf, which feels so nice, like really great quality. Same with this hat here. Great quality knit material. So excited about these. I got my Lavender Essential Oil. I got a bully stick for Dexter, some Caribou coffee, the soothing balm, and the adorable huge mug. I am already so excited for next season's box. I wish these were monthly so I didn't have to wait so long, but I absolutely love this. This is seriously one of my favorite subscription boxes. So I really want to know in the comments down below your thoughts on this box and these products, if it's something that you would enjoy or someone else in your life. And if you have a dog, I want to know in the comments down below. Let me know your dog's name and your dog's breed. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.